Good eventide, ladies and gentlemen. Hopefully the audio is coming in clear. As you can see, I'm up to quite a bit of stuff. Okay, so this is my accomplishment for today. It's nice and flush. I'm gonna try to get some, I have to get way better lighting in here. See, it's not really protruding much. And then it goes all the way back to this plate on the rear bulkhead. Bad news is I don't really know how I could have done this wrong. I have nothing welded in yet, so I don't know what's going on here. But I only have about an 1/8 inch plate to go. It's just like this one. And as you can see, I don't have a banana for scale, but you can see it's about 3/8 of an inch. So the solution seems simple to me. I'm just questioning whether I did something wrong at this point. 1/8 inch plate, just like this guy. Weld that puppy in, and then put a 1/4 inch plate on top of that, sort of stack it. That seems to be fine. Obviously, whenever you're doing stuff like this, all hot rodding, it's especially whenever you're doing chassis work, and especially whenever you're a noob, it's all kind of flying by the seat of your pants. So the kicker would go here, and that thing appears to be exactly where it ought to be. I did a little testing and I just kind of put my feet in the footwell, and this little ridge doesn't really do anything with regards to foot placement, so I don't think it's going to be an issue, but I'm going to, I think, smooth out this anyways. I mean, it looks like garbage right now, obviously, especially on this side. It's really bad. This is my tester side. The passenger side will be hopefully go a lot better because I learned a lot of stuff on this one. Yeah, so this is basically how it's going to sit, I think. And what I'm thinking at this point is I'm going to just add another layer in this corner on each side, smooth it out, make it look nice and neat, because I'm going to be running without carpet for a while. And all these little gaps, so I'm going to fill in this. Basically just make it look nice inside of here, because just because nobody sees it doesn't mean it doesn't matter. Like that's where the greatness in all the builds are, in the places where nobody's really ever gonna look. So, I'm an old man. Whew. So that's where we are today, presently. Oh, you get to see me now, don't you? Yeah, so this is my face. I've got a real camera now. It seems to be working quite well. I like it quite a bit. And we can actually do things like this. Let me know down in the comments if the audio is kosher. If there's any suggestions, I will happily take them because I am a total noob at this. Also, if you buy one of these from Hazard Fraud, just make sure you go easy on the tip. If you stick just the tip in the hole, it's liable to break off if you're moving around. See that sparkly stuff? I think that means it's like powdered. It's like a powdered forge kind of thing. Not the highest quality, obviously. I mean, it's Harbor Freight, but that thing was working really good for taking out the floor up until the point where I snapped that puppy off in it because I got a little bit too frisky with the thingamadoodle. Yeah, so I'm gonna be taking that thing back. It doesn't seem to be as durable as I wanted it to be. Yeah, I'm pretty sure they should take it back. So that's it. Oh, you may be wondering why the Cobra is catty cornered. My garage has this little slope right here, and due to that slope, I do not have a level garage. But because you need to level out the car anyways, best practice, level the thing out as best you can. So, because I don't really have anything in the car, so it probably doesn't matter, but better safe than sorry. Anyhow, and before you say anything, there's no way that I can account for a 3/8 of gap between like the frame rail and the door, because the doors close really well. This actually levels out the car perfectly, because there's a slope over there, a slope over here, and this did well. So, yeah, everybody enjoy your spring break, take care of one another, and don't be afraid to get your hands dirty. Have fun hot rodding.